There's lots of vendors out there that do a lot of great things in some areas, but when it comes to training and making sure that we have the consistency in every location, BG has just done an outstanding job for our organization.
I'm passionate about offering my customers the best service I can. Part of that service is actually offering them trained technicians that can do the jobs right. And there's always new tools. We have new fuel injection systems that come out every year. BG's always ready with those tools that I need. I don't have to go to them and ask about it.
Also training the people at the front counter, not only in why they should sell it, how they should sell it, but also giving them a basic understanding of the technical aspect of what happens when those services are being done.
They got better training. They got a schedule of training, which was very important. The managers knew when somebody with BG was going to be at the store.
And our goal in 2011 is $750,000. And we could have never reached that without the training. We do quarterly training with BG. You know, they're always showing my guys how to do these services, how to do them the most efficient way.
Some of it has been the training in the store where the guy from BG has come out, conducted the training. In some cases, we've went to the BG corporate office and done the training there.
We do an off-site presentation with all the advisors and the technicians. So when the customer throws them a question, you know, hey, why do I need a mass airflow induction service? The advisors can come back and give them a very validated reason.
I call it a track to run on. Our guys don't have to wonder how to approach a certain situation because they've been trained in exactly what to do.
Well, the training is consistent across the board. It has to be. That's one of the things that we required was I want the training here in Knoxville, Tennessee, just like it is in Canton, Michigan. We can't deviate from anything. It's got to be, you know, precise.
I usually do training with BG probably once a month, whether I need it or not. It just always keeps that in their mind. And if you don't keep that in their mind, even with the manufacturer training, they will not fix cars correctly. And like I say, I am so passionate about what I do for my customers that come through the door. I want to make sure all of my guys are trained.
Since we changed our processes and procedures and since we've changed our training and BG is a critical part of that, we've gone from 1.5 hours per RO to almost 3.5 hours per RO. And every dealer knows that that's the difference in your bottom line.